Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2001 Toyota Celica. Both the front and rear wiper blades are easy to change on this vehicle. Other models require the use of tools to complete, so it's a nice touch to be able to change these blades with just your hands. Checking the transmission fluid level is easy to do, as the dipstick is easily accessible in the engine bay. Checking the oil level is easy to do, as the oil dipstick is easily accessible in the engine bay. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. You'll have to remove a panel and many fasteners in order to access much of the engine bay. This includes the headlights, which are easier to change on other models. To change the fog light, you'll have to peel down a panel under the vehicle. This will require some tools and for you to contend with gravity as you complete. You will have to lower the glove box in order to access the cabin air filter. This would have been easier if there were designated access panels in the rear of the glove box for access. Overall, the 2001 Toyota Celica is a relatively easy vehicle to maintain, but does have difficult to change lights, which can make bulb changes more time-consuming.